Hello, welcome. It's here, 19 minutes past 12 in the afternoon in Holland. And it's Friday, the 4th of September 2020, and we are starting for the fourth time the intermediate class from the LBallet. You see the dancers are Sanne and Fleur today, and we are starting with 2 hands on the bar. We know by now how to be on the bar. First position, elbows down. Yes, back is flowing forward over the bar, and we are with the feet in parallel, with the leg in parallel. And we go up and really rise up to the demi-plie. Turn out, deeping plie and a stretch. Inside legs to the side with the right foot. 1 and 2. Keep your pelvis square. The leg is coming from the top of your hip and close. In and parallel. Going up again. Yes, then we stay outwards and we have demi-plie. Plie the feet over, lifting heels. Inside legs, guiding the legs in the anterior. Hold. Hold. 5, 6, 7, turn. 8. No gaps between the legs, going forward. If you can, without falling down, hanging, really pulling the bar. Head, the top, the crown of the head is going to the floor. Up. And the same. And finish. Yes, we got it, eh? Okay, be there. Lift your leg. Lift all the vertebrae, all this little space you have, make one big space. Please, Paul. And lifting your heels, going up, demi-plie. Turn out, going deeper, and up. Right foot, sidewards, not forwards, really sidewards. Flex, toes, heel. Heel, toes. Yes, beautiful instep, close. Parallel and up. And plie. And turn out. Deepen, plie and stretch. And left foot to the side, not to the front. And flex. 2 balls of the feet. Up. Go. Instep. Beautiful. Close. Hold it. Demi-plie. 2. And go up. And up. Is your focus on eye level? Demi-plie. Turn to your right ear. Parallel and go. Hanging. Come up, 7, and turn out. And 1, 2. Hanging forward, Fleur. Yes, only up. And up, and arms, and hold. Be there. Yes. Okay, we have to make an arrangement. The bar is not the purpose. It's not the goal. So you are free to move away, to move forward, to move backwards. When you are doing this last stretch and you feel that you can't get with your buttocks in front, I'm here, look. Now I do not stretch so much as that I am here and I'm really pulling the bar. Fleur, do it for me, please. Do it. Go, go. And now pulling the bar. So now you are feeling you are stretching. You feel? So, but you are allowed to move. It never minds. This is only a helping thing. It's not the goal of our exercise. To be nicely at the bar. Okay, we have plie, and it was first position, second position, and fifth position. Preparation, lifting the little finger to first, around first, and to the side. And we have from the top going down, so you have to stretch to go 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. And again from the top. And 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 arm in front of the knee. Never stop in your stations and up. Second time, have the change of the positions from the demi-plie to the tendu. And then you fall in the demi. Very important correction. This lumbar part, I think I have that camera. Okay, this lumbar part is not allowed to go round. You have to keep your back completely still. A plie is only a move in the legs and making a corner here. So it's absolutely wrong to do things like that or things like that. You're going only where you start, you are going down. Very quiet in your pelvis and your back. We have, fifth position, the back leg, here's a gap. They are not touching. Look, fifth position, the back leg is not touching the front leg. If you touch, look, then you turn in. And that's not allowed. Okay, at the end, demi-plie, sous, balance. Okay, please, Paul. And your head is to the side so you can look at yourself. And 1, and 2, and up. Beautiful. And from the top. With the allonge, and 1. In front of your knee. And take you up and side. And 1, and 2. And 3, turn your head side 1. Now look at your pelvis. Not tucking in, hold it long. Yes, hold it long. Yes, allonge. And never going deeper than your knees. And open, and go. Turn you and the 5th, 2. Yes, hold this gap. Look at me, go over. Yes, and 1. And bring away this arm and 1. Demi-plie 1, 2 legs, sous, chuck.